SlipDoctors Alpha Grip is a water-based acrylic anti-slip marking paint formulated to increase traction on asphalt and concrete surfaces. Use Alpha Grip for marking lines on commercial and recreational areas such as sports courts, parking lots, loading areas, parking garages, and warehouse floors. Use a drill mixer or hand stir Alpha Grip before application. Stir frequently to ensure even additive distribution. Use a nap roller to apply Alpha Grip in 1 to 2 uniform coats with light, even pressure. Wait 1 to 2 hours to apply second coat. Avoid thick coats. Allow Alpha Grip to dry for 1 to 2 hours for light traffic. Alpha Grip is easy to apply and provides a long-lasting, weather-resistant, anti-slip finish for maximum durability. Enjoy your new anti-slip surface by SlipDoctors. Scan the QR code to download the technical data sheet. Don't slip, get a grip.